video had a great sense of narrative. I thought it was intelligently structured. I thought the characters were believable. And I thought it was a really good piece of video. I thought it was a good music video.
It was very good. The characters were very believable, and I liked the change between like when it was black and white and when it was actually in colour, because it made it like really, the narrative really understandable to the audience.
I liked this because there was I thought the juxtaposition between the two like scenes, like when they was happy, when they was like sad. I thought that was really clever, and I think it's quite sort of relatable to a lot of different people, and I just think it was really good.
I really liked Best Music Video. I think how it was in black and white was really nice, and I think it's very easy to become quite emotionally invested in the story because it seems very realistic.
I really loved the music video. I really liked the change of like the past and then the present, and how the relationship changed in the start and then in the end, and it nearly made me cry. So yeah, it was really good.
I thought the song and the video went really well together, and I liked how it was black and white because it sort of fitted with the piece.
I really liked the music video because it portrayed the emotions in the song very well.
I thought Beth's music video was fantastic. I thought the singing was really good, and I thought the way that she put a real life story to the music video was very entertaining.
I really enjoyed this piece because it showed like the contrast and how someone can change in a relationship just with like the slightest problems, and it's really heartbreaking to show that something like this can happen to anyone.
I like the balance of the girl singing in the studio and the actual action of what was happening as she was singing.
I think that it could be quite relatable for certain people, so it made it quite enjoyable to watch.
But I thought it was really quite good. I thought Charlie's acting was brilliant. I thought inspiration, Oscar worthy. I thought, and Charlotte's singing I thought was really quite good as well. I didn't realise she could sing that well, but yeah, no, it was really good. Really quite sad in the end when Charlie had another girlfriend. I thought it was quite sad. Ruined my night, I think.